everyone, welcome to Creative Learners. I am Aditi. I am going to start my new session on how will you prepare yourself for the BA and MA entrance exam. In my last video, I have uploaded how will you prepare for the MCQ based exam, and today I am going to say how will you crack your written exam if it is conducted by any of the Indian universities. Indian universities such as Tripura University, Jadavpur University and so on conduct these written exams. Those are offline written exam. Here you have to do certain things. The things are as follows. First, questions will come. There will be options on essay writing. If your knowledge on literature is vast, then you are in your right place. Go and write all the things. Topic will be on literature based, obviously, because you are preparing yourself for English literature. And after that, you have to write an essay which will conduct more than 40 marks or 30 marks. It will depend on the universities you are going for. Number 2, the most crucial thing, that is the substance and the critical appreciation. In this area, you have to write. Will be given a poem. Okay, that poem will be maybe of 3 stanzas or 4 stanzas or a haiku or anything. Any type of poem will be given. Questions will be given from the poem, and the poem will be on unseen. Now what will you have to do? We have from the very childhood we have solved our unseen passages, and here after reaching to a level, certain degree level, those unseen passages are very tough to crack. Now suppose the poem is given and you have written very well, and if you don't know the structure, the pattern of writing a substance, writing or a critical appreciation, you are halfway zero. So let's begin. Let's learn how to write a critical appreciation. So first basic thing is you have to write a substance. For writing a substance will let you have only 50 to 60 words. Okay, after what are the points that you should know when you are writing a substance? Your content must be clear, it will be written in simple languages, and the vocabulary should be a bit higher. So these are the 3 points you need to follow when you are writing a substance. It will only consist of 50 to 60 words approximately. Now I am coming back to critical appreciation. Now if suppose a poem is given for 6th or 7th stanza poem, or a haiku is given, or a sonnet is given, any type of poem. First, when you are reading a poem, you must know the form of it, the style in which it is written, because all these little ideas, little knowledges you have to write in your paper, that you know the form or the pattern or the style of the poem given to you. Now suppose a sonnet is given, so you have to write whether it is a Shakespearean sonnet or a Spenserian sonnet, or if you know the rhyming scheme of it, those are the extra marks carriers. And moreover, your content should be clear, your expression should be clear, and when you have to write, you have to mark the figures of speech within it. So those students who have recently passed their higher secondary exams, I'll tell you, please buddies, learn some figure of speech. Those who have passed from ICSE and CBSE boards, they must have know what is figure of speech. And those who are not from the state level boards, if they know, it's very good. If they don't, then I'll tell, please go for any of the Wikipedia or any of the book. You can go for M.H. Abrams is the best literary book on literary terms. If it's not with you, obviously it's a lockdown going on, we cannot go buy books as our choice, but you can go for Flipkart and type M.H. Abrams literary terms. If it's there, go and buy it, only if your target is any of the renowned universities of India. Now those literary terms, they are a book, that M.H. Abrams is a book of encyclopedias, literary terms of encyclopedia, where we'll get various things. But you have to keep in mind the things you are just going for only poem section. What are the things? Figures of speech is very important there. Figures of speech like simile, metaphor, onomatopoeia, hyperbole, and there are simile, yes, paradox, and so on, irony. And so what you have to do, you have to just, if you know these figures of speech or the literary terms, okay, then you have to mark the line, quote the line, and you have to say whether the line contains a metaphor or a simile or an irony or a paradox, and so on. So you need to practice some verses. How will you practice? And now you cannot go to Wikipedia and say that I want to practice critical appreciation book and so on. Okay, critical appreciation book is available in markets, and if possible, I think it's also available on Flipkart and Amazon. But if it's not, then you can go for Google and you can type about this book. A text on substance writing and critical appreciation by Gopal Malik Thakur. This is a very basic book where will you find how to write, the art of writing critical appreciation, and there are passages from verse. The levels are divided into three: easy, moderate, harder passages. Start with the easy one. Moreover, you have to write some criticism. Suppose a Shakespearean sonnet is given to you, and you have to tell that if you remember some of the lines, okay, ever quoted by any of the literary person, then you can quote it there if you remember. If you don't, please don't write anything. Give it a blank. I think you will be given marks on the basis of the idea you have possessed by just observing the poem and reading it out. That will check your reading skill and the writing skill as well. And thirdly, there are things like they can give you to write short notes. Now short notes will be on literary topic again. Those who have just passed out their BA will know better than me that what are the short notes that are coming. Short notes such as, it will come like feminism. You have to write the whole lot of feminism. Any of the movement from the literature movement, history of English literature, any of the movement can come. It can come Wonder Woman. It can come as any of the thing. Black Arts movement, Oxford movement. Write something about that person or those person. You have to read it out very carefully. Now, those students who have just passed their HS, what about them? Obviously, you have to read the basic. You have to know the basic of literature, and that will be your everything. You can pass out easily after. And yes, to those who have just passed their HS exam should know that their essay skill, the writing skill, the creative writing, the thought, the power, those are very stronger, because those things are very needed when you are going for crack any of the university exam in your BA level or MA level. So this much for today. I hope you really enjoyed the session. If yes, then please like and write the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And after subscribing, please press the bell icon so that you can get the updates whenever I upload my new videos. Thank you, stay safe, have a nice day.